Hello and welcome to Sales Builder Pro. My name is June Getzinger. I'm the Sales Builder Pro app trainer. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how quick and easy it is for you to build a quote in Sales Builder Pro. We'll build this first quote in less than 5 minutes. I'm not going to do a lot of explaining here. I simply want you to get a feel for the workflow of the quote and help you see how easy it is to build a quote. We're going to start in the navigation menu and we're going to select a quick proposal. I'm going to type a customer name in here. I'm going to name my customer Z3 Minutes and I'll tap continue to open up the quote building part of the app. You'll see across the bottom we have tabs. I'm going to visit each tab moving from left to right. On an Android device, the tabs will be across the top or in a drop down on the left hand side. Customer information, everything I fill in here will display on the customer quote. It'll take a few seconds to fill this in. Then I'll move on to the next tab, which is the company tab. This is part of your sales presentation. More on that later. Then we'll move to the option tab. 3 tabs at the top, system, components, and ductless. We're going to work on the components tab today to build an a la carte system. I'll touch the word type and select an air conditioner. I'll tap on each of these fields all the way down the left-hand side to make my selections. The fields will open up a drop-down for my available selections. Over on the right, the pricing populates. On the left-hand side, you'll see that we have the up to efficiency ratings pre-filling, your registered equipment, parts and compressor warranty, and an optional labor warranty that pre-fills for you. Touch the brochure thumbnail to share the brochure with your customers. Making this a quick quote, we're not going to do any pricing adjustments. We'll do that later in the training series. After I've made my equipment selections, I'm going to put a $1,000 down payment in the down payment field, and I'm going to turn off financing. We'll talk about financing later. Then I'll go ahead, I'll fill in option 2. Same process, option 3, and I'll move to the enhancements tabs. Android users, you will be swiping between screens. On the accessory tab, I'm going to open up thermostat block by touching the plus sign on thermostat, and I'm going to touch in the text area here, actually touching the word Honeywell to open up the available thermostats. I'll select a thermostat and I will apply those to option 1, 2, and 3, and again we have a brochure. Touch on the picture of the brochure, it will open up the brochure. Then I'll move to the add-on services tab, add-ons for short. My service agreement is being added to option 1, 2, and 3, and I'll move to the materials tab. I will select a 1-inch filter rack for each option. Moving on to the notes tab, this is my opportunity to personalize the quote for the customer. Add a requested install date, and select some final notes. These are pre-populated notes that I can elect to turn on. When I move to the signature tab, I now have a summary of the 3 options that I've quoted. You can share this with your customers, open up the brochure carousel to view the brochures again with them. You can go over the equipment that is included in the quote, show details if you like. Your other option would be to view the quote PDF with your customer. I'm going to search the word view down here and open the PDF and share it with me. Touch done to close it up. Now before I email this to the customer, I always want to lock the values down, so I'll sign it in the company approval, accept, and I'll email it to the customer. Always check to be sure your customer has received an email. You know how those emails land in junk sometimes. And I'll go back to the navigation menu. This is a very important step. Tap on View Schedule. Touch your customer's name underneath Arrived. Touch the word Completed. Select a completion code. Touch Submit. At job completion, you will be sent a back office email and all of the data will be sent to the management portal. And that's it. We just built out a quote in a little over 4 minutes. Our help desk is fully built out with training videos, or you are very welcome to join a training session on Tuesday or Thursday. Have a great day.